Today I'm reviewing the Differin Restorative Night Moisturizer. And really quick, I just want to say I purchased all these products with my own money. I'll never waste your time with sponsored ads or videos. So if you want to help support the channel, check out nobsbeauty.com. Check my Patreon community or click on the link below. Okay, it's amazing how many silver shirts I have. I've got a lot of them. Like, you know, I'm like, if it's 10 years old and it's shiny, I want it, I guess. Okay. So, they call this a restorative night moisturizer that deeply moisturizes skin overnight to improve its overall appearance. It's hydrating formula with hyaluronic acid, ceramides, and Ethylene to visibly improve skin texture by hydrating dry skin overnight. Hyaluronic acid is naturally found in skin and binds to water to help retain natural moisture and keep skin looking plump. Ceramides help maintain and restore the skin barrier to lock in moistures for a full 24 hours. Ethylene soothes dry, flaky skin, ideal for evening use to improve skin texture by hydrating skin overnight. And if you are a different user, I have a lot of thoughts on this one, so stay tuned. Okay, packaging, pump bottle, very nice, like it, no issues with that. There's no denatured alcohol in this, and there's also no fragrance, no essential oils, and no noticeable scent. This one is made in Canada, so no issues with that. Ease of use, so apply this to skin at the end of your evening skincare routine. If you're using a thicker sleep mask, I would recommend using that after this one, because this one is not the thickest moisturizer I've ever used. But it does absorb pretty nicely. I'd recommend applying it to face and neck. And I do love how it absorbs nicely, quickly. No pilling, plays well with other products. Very easy to use. Antioxidants and beneficial ingredients. And a lot of these that are on this list, you'll notice right off the bat, they are not the most acne-friendly ingredients. So if you're using Differin to prevent breakouts, which probably a lot of people are, I don't necessarily know that the rest of Differin skincare is great for acne-prone skin. But let me get to this. So we've got sunflower seed oil, great for hydrating the skin, also good for helping protect the skin barrier. Sorbitol, good humectant. Shea butter, hydrating moisturizing ingredient. Vitamin E, good hydrating antioxidant. Niacinamide is probably on this list the only one that's really friendly for acne-prone skin. Great. Niacinamide is great for everything. We've got caffeine, which is a good antioxidant, although, FYI, if you're very sensitive to caffeine, keep that one in mind. I've also heard some people mention that some of these sodium or salt-related ingredients cause them to be a little bit irritated if they're very sensitive to sodium. So I did not know that, but I guess it makes sense. If you put on your skin, some of it gets absorbed. Then we've got lanolin, good skin soothing and calming ingredient. Licorice root extract, brightening, hydrating ingredient. Panthenol, hydrating, soothing. Then we've got sodium hyaluronate, BHT, and a ceramide. So it's a decent list. They've also got their skin soothing moisturizer. Between the two, the restorative moisturizer is just a bit more impressive. But both of these contain ingredients that are not the most friendly for acne-prone skin. Both of them. So if this one's got too much in there, don't necessarily think you can move to this one without any issues. So keep that one in mind. In terms of animal testing, Differin brand is not cruelty-free. Performance, so leave skin feeling nice and hydrated and moisturized. I really do like it. My skin isn't very acne prone, so that's not a huge issue. Overall, though, it's kind of a basic moisturizer. It really will give skin some good hydration, but nothing, not much more. Won't help too much. I mean, it certainly won't help prevent breakouts. It doesn't have a ton of antioxidants in there. It's got a couple skin brightening ingredients, but it doesn't really help too much with that because they aren't really at the front of the list. So if you're going to use this, I really recommend using it in conjunction with some good antioxidants or a good antioxidant serum. And then it does contain a few acneogenic ingredients: Dimethicone, Cetearyl alcohol, shea butter, cetyl alcohol, and Cetearyl 20. So keep that one in mind. Then we get to the price. So this is the full size, which is 2.5 ounces or 70 milliliters. And it retails about $12, which is a great price, especially for a good moisturizer. It's a decent price. Then when we come to the It Factor, not the most exciting formula. And not the most friendly for acne-prone skin either. I mean, it would have been really nice to see a great hydrating moisturizer that was very friendly for acne-prone skin and very friendly for Differin users. And they do mention this can be used in conjunction with Differin, ideal with their Differin gel. But if you're using it for acne and then you go and use a product that contains several acne-genic ingredients, it's kind of, I don't know, a little iffy there. I wish it maybe contained a few more beneficial ingredients and maybe some more acne-fighting ingredients than what it does. But I do like the fact that it's affordable, fragrance, and alcohol-free. Overall, with a 10 being a perfect score, I gave this one an 8. But, again, if you have very acne-prone skin, I don't even think I would pick this one up, personally. But for somebody that with normal skin that's not super acne-prone, it's a really nice, affordable, basic moisturizer. So... anyway, I am interested in hearing from you guys if you've had a chance to try this one out yet. And if you have what your thoughts are, so leave a comment. I love hearing from you. And stay tuned for more tomorrow. Thank you so much, guys.